things that will impress you about the services being delivered by Ethiopian Airlines. Today is also another world class and first in its kind. And today we are going to inspect not just any of the aircraft, but one of the world technologically advanced aircraft, and that is Boeing 787, the Dreamliner, that just arrived in Portharcourt. With me here is Chief Steve Isokariari, who is also the Board of Trustee Chairman, NANTA, that's National Association of Nigerian Travel Agents here. So he is also here to also take a look at what we have in there. So you go with us and we'll find out. Chief's daughter is flying on this aircraft. So tell us, how do you feel?
It's exciting. It's amazing. There's nothing else you can do about that.
Thank you very much.
Have fun.
Thank you, Chief. So we'll catch up some other time. We're going to be seeing features that makes it a world-class aircraft. So don't go away. Keep watching. Now, part of the things you are going to enjoy is actually the leg space and you also the comfort that comes with it. We are going to see what it looks like.
I'm off today.
Yeah, Chief is already going.
Fly Ethiopian, the new spirit of Africa.